Hey everyone, Chelsey and Brandon here with the Verde Canyon Railroad. Next time you enjoy a refreshing margarita, thank Arizona.
Did you know that the first barrel of tequila came out of Nogales, Arizona in 1936? On a hot Arizona day, the cool, crisp taste of an Upper Verde Margarita sure hits the spot.
Let's talk about the name of the drink, margarita.
Margarita in Spanish means daisy. One theory is that it was inspired by a prohibition drink called the daisy.
The drink itself was first popularized in the United States, not Mexico.
There are a lot of stories about its origination, but one thing we can confirm, it's tasty.
Aboard the Verde Canyon Railroad, the Upper Verde Margarita is alive and well.
With a special blend of jalapeno, basil, pineapple, and a floater of Grand Marnier.
Cheers!